Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can freeze your Capital One card instantly or for simple terms like them. So before starting, make sure that your country has Capital One and actually supports it. And once you're here, what you will have to do is of course sign in to your account. You will just have to of course have your username and password ready and then click login. And then once you've signed into your account, you will just have to tap the account section. And then what you will do is you will select the card that you would want to freeze. And then you will tap manage card and then click freeze card. And then you will confirm by tapping yes, freeze card. Or you could also do this. So basically, locking a credit card is typically a simple process. And in most cases, you can lock your card using your mobile app, but the process can vary depending on your credit card company. So take note on that. So to lock or unlock your Capital One credit card in the Capital One mobile app, you will just have again to select the card that you would want to lock or freeze and navigate to the protect and replace your card section, and from there you can lock or unlock your card as needed. And that's basically just it, and your card will now be frozen or locked immediately, preventing any new purchases. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.